In this video, I'm going to show you how to see which websites and apps have access to your Google account, and how to remove them if you don't need them. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Google account and open your browser. Then, go to myaccount.google.com. This is Google's official account management page. From here, click on the Security tab on the left. Scroll down until you see third-party apps with account access, and then click See All Connections. Here, you'll see a list of all apps and websites that have some level of access to your account. Some apps might only know your basic info from signing in, while others may have access to more personal information. To see what info each app has, just click on it. If you decide you no longer want an app connected, click Remove Access or Delete All Connections and confirm. It's that simple. You can also filter apps by the type of access they have. For example, if you want to see which apps can access your YouTube, click on the filter, select YouTube, and remove any connections you don't want. Repeat this process for all apps you no longer use or trust. This is a great way to protect your privacy and keep your Google account secure. That's it for today. Stay safe online, and goodbye.